Hi everyone, Gridlock Cosplay here. This is how you can make a good looking artificial leather out of the shelf liner you can get from the dollar store. In addition to the shelf liner itself, you're going to need some wax paper, a ruler, a knife, and an iron. Now you're going to start by putting your iron to a fairly high setting. I put mine to the second highest setting. Get that warmed up while we prepare everything else. You could start by doing the entire sheet, but I find it's easier to do just the piece that I need. In this case, I need about that big, so I'm going to cut it. Cover it with the wax paper. Keep it nice and flat, and then start ironing. It's going to take a few moments for the shelf liner to start to heat up. You're going to want to just heat it evenly as you can. And eventually, when it does start to get to that slightly melty phase, you start pushing a whole lot harder. Now, let's get a close-up here. You can see that the texture is kind of coming through. You can see it on the wax paper. So what you want to do is to push it hard enough and slowly so that texture is ironed out, literally. One thing that I find while I'm doing this is sometimes it helps to tilt the iron onto one of its sides. Now that puts more pressure on the one side and compresses the shelf liner a little bit more, so you get just that bit more pressure that will iron it out properly. Once it looks like it's ironed out, it's okay to just lift your wax paper and check it. Hold up the light, see if the texture is actually gone, and if not, bring it back down. Still got a little bit more down here that I missed. Once you have achieved the flatness that you desire, run your iron over the entire thing one more time just to get it nice and warm. Quickly remove the wax paper, pick it up, and crumple it. And do it several times. Undo it, crumple, undo, crumple, undo. Once it has finished cooling, unwrap it, and look at the beautiful piece of fake leather that you have created. There you go. For a few dollars and a few minutes, you can have a gorgeous piece of fake leather to use in your cosplays. Hope that was useful for you. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more, and I'll see you all later.